Girl Guides. Girl Guides is a British organization of girls. It was founded by Baden Powell and his sister, Lady Agnes, in 1910. The main objective of this movement is to make teenage girls conscious of their responsibilities. A member, a girl guide, is given a variety of programs that shape her character. She learns in association with other girl guides how to keep herself clean and healthy. She is instructed how to build her moral and social character. She learns basic facts about courtesy and etiquette. Furthermore, a girl guide is taught how to develop home making ability. She learns household skills like cooking, knitting, stitching, planning, and maintenance.